Hey guys, back working on the F100 project. Today we're going to be tackling some more with the heater air conditioning box. This side I'm going to be working on the engine side of the firewall, trying to just get that ducting kind of started here for it as well. On the last video I tackled getting the ducting working for the inside from the blower motor through the firewall, so if you missed that video, may check it out first. If you like what you see today, please like and share the video, consider subscribing. Let's get started. This is what we're going to try and tackle today. Right here is going to be where the air is coming through the firewall, and this needs capped off right here just so that it'll push it through there and blow it in this direction. I don't have any of the plastic from this that I can make work here for it, so I still want to try and keep this in plastic though, so I got a piece of pipe that I think I can make work, so we're going to try and see if that'll work. I see a lot of people online that are using sheets of plastic that they buy at stores wherever. Where I live in the country, that's not really an option to just run down to a store and pick up a sheet of plastic. I can get it online, but at the end of the day, I'm just buying a sheet of plastic. I've got this PVC pipe that I think I can cut that, slice it down this way, and flatten it out and still get the sheet of plastic that I'm looking for. And I already had this laying around, so we're going to try that. Okay, now that I've got the rough shape of it here, you can see that left it kind of wavy there where the weights were sitting on it. So I'm going to heat it up in strips and just flatten it out with a board the rest of the way across, and then that will make one perfectly flat sheet of plastic. Got one mostly flat piece of pipe now, which that's going to use to make our pieces here for it. We're going to be epoxying it in there anyway, so I'm not concerned with it being super smooth because I'm going to have to go back and finish it in the end anyway. Got this piece of that shroud off. Be a lot easier to glue this up on the bench here. And just got these two side pieces. It'll go right there and there. And then this other piece will go right there. And that'll box in all our ductwork. Got everything glued up on this. I let that dry overnight, so just going to clean up all the edges there, probably throw a coat of primer on it, and we'll be all set. Got this piece all painted up. Take the tape off. The last thing I have to do is put our new modified box back together with the other half with the AC core, and we'll be all set. This is what we ended up with. All that's still just the way that it was. And there's the piece that we've cut and added on. So now the air will come from the blower motor right here, which is pulled in through the vent here on the side. Then it's ducted through this box back here, which then comes through here, through the core that way, back through, and back into the box on the inside. That's going to do it for today. Please like and share the video. Consider subscribing to the channel so you can keep up with future builds. We'll see you next time.